You're doing 65 down a sun-drenched highway, squinting against the road glare, and then you plunge into a dark tunnel. Your pupils have to dilate instantly just to pick out the taillights of the car braking in front of you. In that high-speed transition, high-contrast vision is the primary safety tool keeping your car within the lane lines. The physiological strain of a typical commute is constant. Your eyes are perpetually forced to contract against midday solar glare, then dilate to process the piercing, disorienting beams of oncoming headlights at night. Standard optical lenses are not engineered to handle both ends of this light spectrum simultaneously. This creates a difficult compromise for every driver. The tint that fixes daytime glare usually makes you nearly blind once the sun goes down. Most drivers just want a single pair of glasses they can put on at 9 a.m. and leave on until they pull into the driveway at night. This chart maps the landscape. We have visual safety on the horizontal and convenience on the vertical. A standard pair of dark sunglasses sits right here in the bottom left. They work for afternoon sun, but obscure the road at dusk. You're forced to swap to clear lenses just to see the pavement. But clear lenses offer zero protection against the midday sun. This leaves an empty target in the top right corner. Maximum safety and convenience in one pair. Reaching that corner requires a choice. You either pay a significant financial premium for a highly engineered all-in-one lens, or you manage a fragmented system of multiple budget pairs. To solve the problem, we have to isolate the hazards. At night, the primary danger is the blinding starburst effect from modern oncoming headlights. The first tool for this is an anti-reflective, or AR coating. On our scorecard, AR coating gets a green check for night driving. It allows more light to pass through the lens instead of bouncing off the surface, which physically reduces the halos and glares from streetlights. But because AR coating is transparent, it does nothing to dim the actual intensity of the sun. The problem of midday glare remains unaddressed. You'll see cheap yellow night driving glasses on sites like Duraz. While the tint might slightly boost contrast, without a quality AR coating to manage light reflections, you're just seeing the same blinding headlights through a yellow filter. AR coating is the mandatory baseline for nighttime safety, but it leaves the daytime glare problem completely untouched. At midday, the hazard changes. Now the light is bouncing off flat surfaces, the asphalt, the hood of the car, and the windshields in front of you. To cut through this, you need polarization. Polarization earns its green check for the day. It acts like a microscopic set of vertical blinds, blocking the horizontal light waves that cause road glare. However, this creates a physical trade-off. Polarized lenses block so much light that they become a liability at night, significantly shortening your visual range. Gradient lenses, dark on top and clear on the bottom, are a common daytime compromise. They block the sun while keeping your instrument cluster visible. But the takeaway is clear. Traditional daytime solutions are physically incompatible with night driving. A standard sunglass lacks the versatility to be a safe 24-hour tool. The high-end solution is a premium engineering stack. It combines anti-reflective coatings, polarization, and photochromic technology into a single lens. Photochromic material physically changes when exposed to UV light. In the sun, the molecules shift to darken the lens automatically. When the sun goes down, the lens turns clear, allowing maximum light through while the AR coating manages headlight halos. During the day, it transitions to a dark tint to absorb solar glare before it reaches your eyes. The tint color matters too. Amber or brown tints boost visual contrast, making lane lines sharper. Gray lenses maintain true color representation, which helps in identifying traffic signals quickly. This combined stack is the only option on our scorecard to earn a green check for both day and night driving. Perfecting this balance is difficult, so it's usually found in premium brands like Serengeti, Maui Jim, or Ray-Ban. You can conquer the optical physics of the road, but the trade-off shifts from a safety risk to a financial investment. There is no single universal best lens. The right setup depends on your commute and your budget. Identify your biggest driving friction. Refuse to swap glasses? The premium photochromic stack is your seamless answer. Just overhead sun? Choose gradient lenses. On a strict budget, get a dual pair system from Dares, polarized for day and clear AR coated for night. The right lens is simply a match between an optical tool's engineering and the specific light hazards you face on your route. There are no universal lenses, There are only specific optical tools that demand either a financial investment or a logistical one. You can invest in a premium Serengeti-style lens that adopts automatically, or commit to the manual effort of managing 2 different pairs in your glove box. Whichever path you choose, prioritizing high-contrast, unhindered vision at night is the only way to ensure your eyewear is actually keeping you safe.